Downloading data from eBay can be useful for analyzing sales trends, inventory management, or market research. Follow these steps to successfully download your desired data. Step 1. Create an eBay account. If you don't already have an eBay account, visit the eBay website and sign up. Provide the necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Access the eBay Seller Hub. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the Seller Hub. This can typically be found under My eBay Was Selling in the main menu. The Seller Hub provides various tools and reports for sellers. Step 3. Locate the Reports section. In the Seller Hub, look for the Reports or Performance tab. This section contains various reports related to your sales, listings, and performance metrics. Step 4. Choose the data to download. Select the type of report you want to download, such as sales reports, traffic reports, or inventory reports. Customize the report parameters, such as date range and specific metrics, if applicable. Step 5. Download the report. Once you have configured your report, look for a download button or link. Choose your preferred file format such as CSV or Excel and click to download the report to your device. Now you have your eBay data ready for analysis or further use. Make sure to check back regularly for updated reports to keep your information current.